Hi everybody! This week, in week 5, you learned about the books and ebooks, and you will be using the catalog to select a book on your topic, and then you're going to go over here to the article databases, and for this week's assignment you're going to find an article on your topic from a subject-specific database. Do not use the online reference shelf. Use one of the databases in this list, okay? If you have a topic related to health, you might choose one of these nursing or health source. If you have an education topic, you might choose ERIC. A business topic, you might choose Business Source Elite. Do not use any of the multi-subject databases for the week 5 assignment. You will be using those in week 6. Okay, thanks.